Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free on-page SEO Analyzer tool using Claude. Here in the right hand side, you will see a tool that I have created in Claude. This is basically an artifact that I have created using Claude, and you can create the same artifact in your Claude account also. Even if you are using free Claude account, you can create the same artifact in your Claude account. So first, I'm going to show you how this tool works. You can enter the link of any page, enter the target keyword for that page, and click on Analyze. The Claude will analyze this page. It will go through more than 25 on-page SEO checklists, and it will give you a detailed report. Here you will see a detailed report, how many checks are passed, how many checks are failed. You can download the report, and if you want, you can click on this button and it will rewrite the article for the same page using the same target keyword, and the article will be fully SEO optimized that you can add to your existing blog post. Then I'll show you how I started creating this tool, how I started with a simple prompt, what were the issues and the errors that I faced while creating this tool, and finally I'll give you the exact prompt that you can use to create the same artifact in your Claude account. So instead of going through all these issues and errors, you can copy the prompt and create the same artifact in your Claude account. I'm publishing many videos on a real-world Claude AI use cases, how you can create WordPress and WooCommerce plugins using Claude, how you can use Claude to improve the search engine optimization of your website, how you can analyze your website, how you can get the reports. I do not create hyped videos like you can create $5,000 website using Claude and sell that website to any client, because I know that it is very difficult to sell a $5,000 website to any client. Instead of creating fancy website with a lot of animation, you can try creating simple websites that you can sell to any local business. You can try creating plugins for WordPress, WooCommerce, and use those plugins on your own websites, or you can also use those plugins on your clients' websites. Now let's see how does this tool works.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here on the right hand side, you will see the tool On-Page SEO Analyzer. At the top, we have input field, that is for the page URL and the target keyword, and the button to click on Analyze. Once I click on it, it will go through that page. It will go through the on-page SEO checklist and it will give you the detailed report. Now I'm going to refresh this page. Here you will see a button, Analyze New Page. Okay, now it is completely blank. I can enter the URL and the target keyword. Here you will see a list of some blog posts from my website that I need to fix. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can use Claude AI for the complete SEO audit of any website. And I got this entire report using the same tool. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can create a tool where you can enter the domain of the website. It will go through all the pages on the website and it will give you the detailed reports of the website. Here I have a blog post that I need to fix. So I'm going to copy the link of this blog post. Let's go to Claude tool, enter the page link, and the target keyword for this page will be, let's say, Elementor website templates. All right, I'm going to click on Analyze. It will go through the page. You will see that analyzing page, fetching page content, checking title and meta tags, analyzing headings and content, auditing links and images, checking technical factors, and now it is building a report. So it's going to take 1 or 2 minutes to create the report. All right, so the report is ready and the score is only 34. 4 parameters are passed, 17 failed. You will see all the details here. The first parameter is title tag. Then we have meta description here. Then headings, issues with the headings, content quality. Then URL structure. Some of these URL structure checklist is passed. Then details about the images, links, and technical issues. So you can go through all these on-page SEO issues and fix all the issues. If you want to download this report, you can click on download report and download the file, save it on your computer, and later you can use that report to fix the issues. If you want to rewrite the SEO optimized article for the same page with the same keyword, click on this button, generate SEO article, and the Claude is going to rewrite the article for you. The article will be fully SEO optimized. So it is going to take 1 or 2 minutes to write the entire article. Alright, so the SEO optimized article is also ready. You will see the new meta tag, meta description, and this is the suggested URL slug. If you want to change the URL slug, you can change the URL slug, and below is the article. So this is a fully SEO optimized article. Here you will see a button to download the article. So I'm going to click on button and download the file. So you can download the article, save it on your computer, and later you can replace the current article on your website with the new article. So I'm going to close it. We are back to the report, and if you want to analyze a new page, click on this button, analyze new page. It will refresh it and you can start with the new page. So this is how the tool works. It is very useful tool. If you want to improve the SEO ranking of your website, you can try creating the same tool. Now let me show you how I started with. This is the initial prompt. Can you create on-page SEO checklist tool? In this tool, I can enter the website URL and target keyword. The tool will analyze the page. It will check the on-page errors on that page. It will create a complete on-page SEO checklist report for that page. Do not create the tool right now. I just want to know whether it is possible or not. What will be the features of the tool and what on-page SEO parameters will be checked using this tool. So this is the initial prompt. I did not ask the Claude to create the tool immediately. I just wanted to know whether it is possible or not. So this is the answer. Yes, it is possible, fully possible. These are the features of the tool: URL plus keyword, live page analysis, code report, actionable fixes, overall SEO score, export the report, and color coded dashboard. So you saw the dashboard there, and these are the on-page SEO parameters that will be checked: title tag, meta description, heading structure, content quality, URL structures. You will see a list of all the parameters. Then I asked Claude, this tool will have option to download the report. Can we also add an option to rewrite SEO optimized blog post for the same target keyword? A small button which when clicked will generate fully SEO optimized article to replace the current content. The generated article will pass all the on-page SEO checklist and create downloadable Word document. Is it possible? So the answer is yes, it is possible. Here you will see the complete tool feature plan. Phase 1, on-page SEO analyze. In the phase 1, it is going to analyze the page and it is going to create the report. The phase 2 will be SEO content rewriter. So these are the two phases and what the Word document will contain. And this is how it works technically. You enter the URL and keyword. Claude API fetches and reads the page via web search. Analyze 25 plus SEO parameters. Download the report, generate SEO articles. So I asked Claude to build the artifact, and this is what it started with. This was the first version and it was not looking good. So I asked Claude to rebuild this tool as an artifact. So it started working on it and it gave me the first version of the artifact, and it was also in dark theme. So I asked Claude to change the colors and make it light theme so that the content will be visible on the light theme. So this was the first version, and there were some issues with the first version. The download report button was not working. The generated SEO article button was also not working. It was not letting me to download anything. When I clicked on the button, it was not doing anything and I was not able to download the report. So that was the issue. The Claude started working on it and gave me the second version. And the second version also had the same issue. When I clicked on the buttons, there was an error: download failed, Word library not loaded. So that was the technical error. So I asked Claude to fix the issue, gave me the third version, and the error was still there. I was again not able to download the report. I asked Claude to fix the error and I got the new version of the tool. It was working properly. However, the rewritten article were having issues. When I downloaded and opened the rewritten article, there were some asterisk signs and hashtag signs in that article. So that was the issue with the downloaded article. So I asked Claude to fix the issue, and finally I got a working version of this tool. So this is the final version of the working on-page SEO Analyzer artifact. And finally, I asked Claude to write a detailed prompt that anyone can use to create the same artifact or the tool in their Claude account. So he started working on it and it gave me the final prompt. This is the prompt. This is a big prompt. You can simply copy this prompt and use the same prompt to create the same on-page SEO Analyzer artifact in your Claude account. So in the description box, I'll give you a link to my website. You can go to my website and download the same prompt that you can use to create the same on-page SEO Analyzer artifact tool in your Claude account. You can try this in your Claude account and let me know in the comment section if your tool works. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.